everyone, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're back working on the Mustang here, and so you saw in the last couple videos we've been doing, let's see, we got new seats. I'll show you the seats here. Got new seats, right? New headlights. God, well, those are nice and all, but we are missing, we got the GT kit, we got, the front and rear bumper GT kit, and we're just missing the side skirts on this car. So I don't know if these are the original ones, but they're painted just like the car is. So I'm just gonna assume that's what it is. But yeah, so we got both the right and left GT kit fairings, or whatever you'd like to call them, ground effects, right? But we are missing some crucial parts, and that's where this box of stuff comes in handy. So if you look here, and I just dumped this out from LMR, okay, comes with all this junk. Well, it's not actually junk, but this is the whole bracket kit. It comes with literally everything. You got rivets, we got more rivets, got pins, more pins, so many pins, more rivets. Holy cow, a never-ending supply of rivet. We got washers, holy rivets, screws. This car, I don't believe, is an actual original GT car, and the only reason why I'm saying that is because you can tell right here, these are self-tapper holes, and there's no holes here, right? And then if you look even on the bottom here, there's no holes for the bottom bracket. So I like the GTs, I like the GT kit, right? And it's gonna look so much better with this kit on, but I'm going to have to do some measuring, some research, some other things to make new holes and put these in their designated place. That's where these come in. See what these are? Okay? These are self-tappers. And that's what we're going to use to put everything in. I'm going to make sure they're the right size, so when I put these in eventually, right, that we're not going to blow out the back of the hole. This is a non-sponsored video, but shout out to freaking Milwaukee, because these lights are literally awesome. Every light I get from Milwaukee is quite awesome. We're going to remove the wheels, and then we're going to get to mocking everything up. Hopefully I can get it close and they'll work, because I know it's not going to be perfect. So. Okay. I guess that'll work for now. Jeez Louise, I can't. We're gonna start here in the rear, and I'm gonna see how close I can get it, and I'm gonna test out these self-tappers and see if they're the right size to put those rivets in. So looks like they had some sort of brackets here before. We're gonna test them out. Just fit this on here. And I can always go back. This car is not a perfect car, so if I do mess up in the scenario that I probably will, I'll just Bondo it up or something. This car is not perfect by any means, but if I can get everything as straight as I can, that would be awesome. Basically, go like this. These little side ones. I probably should get, you know what, I'm gonna get a tape measure. An inch. 4 to 8.5 inches. So that's what, 1 inch. 1 5/8. There we go. Oh, promising. There we go. That's basically on. That is, here's we're gonna get. I am going to attempt to put these on the back side here. These are just little, wee little bitty self tappers. Well, you can't really see, but I'd say she's on now. It's not double-sided taped on anymore. Now we move on to the front. This is when things are gonna get a little bit more tricky. If we got this long one, it's gonna run here, and then we also have to worry about the two up in the front here. So I know it's dirty. Should I clean it? Probably. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I mean, look at the rest of the car, but we'll get her. We'll get her one step at a time. So I think it'll be the same concept. Probably gonna be the tightest fitting GT kit ever. This is where it's a little tricky. So just trying to get this bracket to line up with the rest of the body kit. It's proven to be a little bit more difficult than I was hoping. We'll get it though. Oh yeah. I can put those tappers in. Came with the kit up in the front here, and I'm just gonna put a couple on the bottom, see what it looks like. Like I said, this isn't the last rendition. I just want to be able to put it on and see what it looks like without it flying off. The driving season's almost over anyway, so might as well take advantage of it. Try to get this on. This is like the last piece of the puzzle. So I did see in the bottom of the car, there's a couple places where these line up, so I'm going to take a couple of these and put them in. Okay, never mind, I can only get one, so I'm going to put a couple self-tappers down there, and then that'll be for when we drill new holes, and I can finally put all these clips in like it's supposed to. As of right now, this is what it looks like. Try to get everything as close as I could as far as all the body lines. Now we get to throw the wheels back on and see what happens. speed run this side here. Since we already got a good idea of what everything looks like on the other side, this side's gonna be the same exact, so let's get it done. Alright guys, we're back. And we finished up the passenger side. We got the wheels back on it. And it's all zip screwed back up into place. You shouldn't go anywhere. The only thing is door hooks a little bit, touches on the bottom there a little bit. But the door is also not aligned correct. There's a lot of play in that, so it is what it is. So the next step, get it on the ground and see what it looks like on the ground. Also, I may have stripped the lug nut or stud. So, nature's a lot of time.
Are those Harbor Freight jacks?
They are.
Hmm.
A little scary. And I'll let you edit this.
Here, I'll get a nice view of you jacking it off. Oh, that's a good shot right there.
Oh, yeah. Gosh dang. Oh. What do you think? How bad is it? Big reveal.
It's awful.
Woo. Oh, dude, that looks so good. That looks so good. Mmm. You good?
Just tripping over everything.
Oh. Now we get to clean it.
Oh, fine.
Oh, we're actually good. Look.
I don't know if it's gonna capture that. It's focusing on you. Oh, it is capturing now. Look at
that. It smells gross.
You gotta lick it.
No.
How's that? Is it solid over there?
Oh yeah. I don't think she shouldn't go anywhere. Alright, I think we're good. Dano's leaving me. There he goes. Oh no. Come on. Racer. Hate to see him leave. Love to watch him drive away. Is he gonna scrape? And he's gone. My little Subaru. Dang, that sounds really good. Alright, I was short-lived. We've lost Danny, or Dano. He's gone away. He had to get new tires put on his Subaru. So we're back here filming by ourselves. And I'm just gonna do a quick pressure wash. It's not like the paint on this thing needs clean, because I mean, I don't know which color to clean. Anyway, we're just gonna get some dust and dirt and mud off of it and see what it looks like. So let's do it. Bam! Look at this thing. Oh yeah, the GT kit looks way better. That looks so much better. That's insane. It just blows my mind. It's a full GT car now. Now we just need to slam it and put a few things on there. People probably never be able to tell the difference of what I did differently with the car, but look at that. New headlights, they all look good. Everything's on sturdy, even up front here, besides this part over here. It's still a little loosey-goosey there. You look right here, you can see, I don't know exactly what to do here because it's already bottoming out on the bottom part. So that's the only thing. Well guys, once again, no glamour shots. It got dark and all that good stuff, but it's done. And I'd say it came together very freaking well. I got to drive it a little bit. That's why the mud's on there. And I apologize for the lighting again, as always. But I'd say it's so good. It's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't, you know, there's not much glamour shots or anything like that, but I tell you what, this car looks 1,000,000 times better with the GT kit on. Like I said before, this car came with that kit. It was an original LX car because there was no previous holes to mount everything, and the bracket holes just didn't exist. So with a bunch of educated guesses and a bunch of educated measuring, we were able to get it all together, and this thing of beauty is ready to be put away for the winter. So that's one less thing I gotta do during the winter time, but there's a whole bunch more that is going to be done with this. So be ready and be waiting for more content, because we're gonna start tearing into this way deeper. She's gonna go through an absolute overhaul this winter time, and hopefully, ideally by next spring, she's gonna be a new car. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, just putting the kit on, making this car look 10,000,000 times better, making this car be exactly what I want it to be. And this is just exciting. It's just an exciting moment to finally have my GT car and GT now. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video, and yeah, stay tuned for more content. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.